We have so many kittens ready to go here at the Rifle Animal Shelter. Let's give you a tour. This kitten is
Tinkerbell.
And Tinkerbell's friend over here is
Quizmet.
And playing over here
Is Quinlan.
Ooh, very cute. And not a kitten, but still very cute. It's Chloe. Let's see, and over there we have a couple of more. Maybe there's some repeats. Let's look.
This is Quasar and Ren, who is playing in the litter scoop box. Come here, Ren. There, in the box.
Who's the pretty little black one with the yellow collar?
That's Miley, and her brother Trace is up there.
Let's see, who did we miss?
Teddy is behind you, eating food. Caesar is one of our older kittens in the kennel with Bliss. And Star is another of our older kittens. We also have the Roaches.
Hey Brittany, could you grab Star?
Come here, Star. This is Vishnu, one of our long hairs. And the one being cleaned by Tony is...
This video is pretty dark. I don't think people can see it, but it's sure cute if you could see it.
Udall.
Udall? Udall's a little tuxedo. We have lots of kittens here at the Rifle Animal Shelter, as you can see, so come on down and pick out at least 2 of them because they always have their buddy when you're away, and they get to grow up and live with their best friend. So come on down to the Rifle Animal Shelter and pick out some kittens. We have lots to choose from right now.